How to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Roblox Mobile. Click on three dots located at bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on three dots at bottom right, scroll down and then you'll find settings pop up. Click on settings. In settings, click on privacy and content maturity, which is the third option. Then in here, click on communication, which is the second option. After that, click on experience chat and then enable voice chat by clicking on enable chat with voice. After you've done that, click on enable and then your voice chat will be enabled. But if you don't have these settings, go back and then go to account info. After going on account info, make sure your email is verified. As you can see, email verified. Also, you need to add your number and verify. Scroll down. Also, you need to be over 13. Click on verify my age. To verify your age, you will need to add your ID, any ID, driver license, citizenship, anything just to verify your age. After that, you will find the settings of voice chat. This is how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.